Today, Peter and I are discussing the hidden costs of staying on legacy ERP systems and the value that innovations in the ERP space have had recently that allow you to create year-over-year improvements to your customer experience, employee productivity, and ultimately to increased corporate value. To begin the conversation, we need to clarify what we mean by legacy technology. The easiest way to describe a company using legacy software is one who has an ERP system that is used primarily to record and report on financial transactions. There may be many other homegrown and packages that support other functionality of the company that the company has had to integrate into their ERP system. That would include something like warehouse management, manufacturing, or human capital management systems. A legacy system may also have many homegrown customizations to improve on its functionality, which make it difficult to support and maintain and upgrade. Frequently, a company will be several releases behind in updates to the ERP system because it takes too much time and is disruptive and costly to upgrade. Pete, I think you actually have a slide that talks to the evolution of business systems and how we've come to this particular state.
Absolutely, thank you. So I guess my definition here from the SAP side would be about legacy technology isn't technology that helps add any value to your business. Some of the markers of that, the technology is not intelligent, it isn't integrated, and it isn't flexible enough to meet today's business requirements or the business requirements of the future. So if we look at this slide here, this slide really is about the evolution of business and SAP's evolution of how we've moved towards the intelligent enterprise for our customers. So the intelligent enterprise is really about embedded machine learning, it's artificial intelligence, it's embedded RPA into our core products. With these changes, we've also had to change the way that we deliver value to our customers and implement these systems. We're now setting up these core systems in months, not years.